Have you ever wondered if the stars have a plan for you? As November comes to a close, the cosmic dance of planets and constellations might bring unexpected opportunities for some zodiac signs. Stick with us to discover if your sign is among those favored by the universe. Today, we're uncovering which zodiac signs are predicted to experience a streak of luck as November ends. This isn't just about random chance. It's about understanding the deeper energies that shape our lives. Let's dive into the world of astrology and find out who the stars favor. As November nears its end, the cosmos undergoes a subtle but powerful shift. The alignment of planets brings clarity and opportunities to specific signs. Let's explore how these energies work and why they matter. Astrologers believe that celestial bodies influence our emotions, decisions, and fortune. Each planet carries its own unique energy, and when they align in specific ways, they can enhance certain qualities within us. For example, Jupiter, the planet of abundance, is currently in a favorable position. Its influence often brings growth, success, and unexpected luck to those aligned with its energy. This alignment especially benefits Sagittarius, Aries, and Aquarius this month. Sagittarius, ruled by Jupiter, is set to experience a surge in confidence and clarity, which will foster both personal and professional growth. Aries, with Mars energizing their ambitions, may see new opportunities arise, particularly in career and finances. If you're an Aries, now is the time to take bold steps toward your goals. Aquarius, ruled by Uranus, is likely to experience breakthroughs in creativity and relationships. These moments of inspiration could lead to long-lasting rewards. But what about the other signs? Don't worry, every zodiac sign has its strengths. While the focus this month may be on Sagittarius, Aries, and Aquarius, the energy at the end of November offers something for everyone. For instance, Taurus might find stability in financial matters, while Cancer could strengthen family bonds. Scorpio might discover hidden potential during this transformative time. Even small shifts, such as Mercury's position in Sagittarius, can bring surprising benefits. Communication becomes more open, creating opportunities for meaningful connections. But how can you make the most of this cosmic energy? Start by tuning into your intuition. Astrology isn't just about predictions. It's about understanding how to align with the rhythms of the universe. Reflect on what matters most to you. Are there areas of your life where you feel stagnant? Use this period to set intentions and take steps toward change. Practical actions matter too. Write down your goals, meditate, or even journal about your feelings. These simple practices can help you tap into the energy surrounding you. One viewer shared how aligning their actions with lunar phases helped them feel more balanced and achieve their goals. Such stories remind us of the power of intention. Whether it's financial success, better relationships, or personal growth, the key to luck lies in awareness. Luck isn't something simply given. It's something you can cultivate by staying proactive. Let's take a moment to appreciate the diversity of the zodiac signs. Each sign offers a unique perspective on life, and these differences enrich our world. If your sign wasn't mentioned as lucky this time, don't be discouraged. The universe works in cycles, and everyone gets their moment to shine. As the year ends, remember that astrology is a guide, not a rule book. It's here to inspire you to live intentionally and embrace opportunities. Trust the process, maintain focus, and take inspired action. Luck isn't just about the stars. It's about how you respond to life's challenges and opportunities. So as November ends, pay attention to the subtle signs around you. Whether it's a new connection, a creative idea, or a fresh opportunity, Embrace it with an open heart. Now, let's recap the zodiac signs that are expected to receive the most luck: Sagittarius, Aries, and Aquarius. But remember, every sign has its time to shine. The magic of astrology lies in its ability to help us see patterns and possibilities. Let it guide you, but always trust your instincts. Before we end, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you feel connected to your zodiac signs predictions? Share your experiences in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more people discover the wonders of astrology and how it can inspire us all. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into astrology, numerology, and the secrets to a fulfilling life. And here's a special offer. If this video reaches 5,000 likes, we'll create a detailed guide on how to align with your zodiac sign's energy for success in 2024. Let's grow this community of dreamers and believers together. Every like, comment, and share brings us closer to... Let's grow this community of dreamers and believers together. Every like, comment, and share brings us closer to uncovering life's mysteries. Remember, the stars may guide us, but the path forward is always in your hands. You have the power to create your destiny. Thank you for watching, and may the end of November bring you joy, clarity, and abundance. See you in the next video.